So now is let me just check, 8:44. So I was looking for the sugar, but let's check to see what kind of appliances or like cutlery we have to prepare food. So I see we have four cups for hot beverages. See, 1, 2, 3, and here's the fourth cup. So we have four champagne wine glasses, 4 glasses for water. I don't know. Oh, these are solid. These are good. And plates, 4 plates, big, smaller. Like this is for soup. Ah, that's great. And another plate for soup. So a lot of plates. So we have knives, 3 sets of knives. This is quite sharp. We have scissors. This side is empty. So this is for soup. If I want to cook for the pan, obviously. So I have a pan, a smaller saucepan, spoons, forks, knives, smaller forks. For coffee, I can peel something. Wine opener, very important thing. Maybe I have wine later. This I already opened. And another pot. Oh, this is a solid pot. Professional. G professional. That is why it's so solid. It's induction stovetop. So for the equipment, I can give already 5 points. You have everything you need. I don't miss anything at the moment. The first idea, let's try the coffee machine. It's right here. So what I notice, not switched on in the cable, in the electricity, and I think we have to fill it with water. Just a moment. Put it here. Okay. Okay, just like this. Then we plug it in. Then we open it from here. Okay, I need my second hand, just a moment. So you need to open it like this. Okay. Opening, putting this here, and closing. Then we put it back. And then let's put the cup. So now it's green. What, do I press the button? I don't know. Let's try. How to switch turn? I don't know. I have not used this kind of machine before. Maybe it needs to light on. I don't know. I have no idea how to switch it. Obviously I have to press some button. Ah. No. Ah, I had to tilt this one to the right. So close it and tilt this one to the right from the center spot. This is KRUPS coffee machine. Okay, now it's to the center again. Okay, I'll do the same thing with the milk and then let's have a coffee. So, the macaronчики, spaghetti fusilli are boiling, and I managed also to open all the windows. Enjoy. So, with a little bit of fiddling, I put them all on one side. So I can enjoy the view from here. It's amazing. So tomorrow morning I plan on making a video about the area. There are a lot of trees, a lot of places to sit.
French president was visiting a hospitality school in Ülemiste, south of Lyon. A bystander struck out as he was shaking hands with members of the public. The French leader was quickly rushed from the scene.
So now you can enjoy TV. I can enjoy TV. Eat some little bit of my kids' kids' food. Like food I liked when I was a kid. So, and enjoy the evening. See you. So, good morning. I'm still in this apartment at Ülemiste City. And let's take a look how many TV channels or what do they have. You can, a huge TV. Let's take a look. So this TV maybe is even too big, I don't know, but it's good. And let's see the programs. Enter. So you have Fox Life, Film Zone for kids, very good. Eurosport, music, Euronews, Russian channels, Finnish channels. This is also Estonian Russian channel, ETV Plus. Another Russian channel, so you have quite a lot of options. These are Estonian channels, so ETV, Inspiria. And obviously it's also a smart TV, so it has all the standard features for a smart TV. Netflix, YouTube, gallery, internet. So that's it. A great big TV, more than enough for your trip. So that was the channel's overview, and today I plan to go outside to see what else could be done around here, to have some walks, and how far it is from the city center. So the adventure continues. So here you can charge your electric car. This is a nice park. There's a lot of places like greenery. You can come have a coffee here in the table or something. Have some food or just enjoy the sun. So I like this park. This was a interesting bridge, new bridge here in the old port of Tallinn. And here is one more interesting thing, vabatahtlik merepääste. So this ship, they are rescuing people with this small boat. Voluntary rescue. So this is kind of art project. Check it out from the side too. And there is another art project over there. Let's check it out. This is called Paradise. I don't know if you could read it. It is kind of like a music, like a wave. And you can use it as a bench. I'm now below that massive building, Linnahall, called City Hall. It's quite nice and cool here, because today is a very hot day, but this is a huge space. It's like meters, people walking. So there is this pyramid style part of the building, which is known. So if you are hot during the summer, go to Linnahall, below the bridge. There is the walking path is above it. So that's it.